Well, here, ladies and gentlemen, is a copy of the periodic table. Whole bunch of boxes here, each one containing the symbol and the name and some other information about what is called an element. Approximately 90 of these are found naturally. You go out and dig them up someplace probably. And some you're familiar with, some you've probably never heard of, some I've probably never heard of. But what are some of the familiar ones? Well, up here is number 6, that's carbon, we've heard of that. 7 is nitrogen, 8 is oxygen. Oh, here's number 2 up there, helium, we've heard of that. Number 10, neon. Upper left, we have number 1 is hydrogen. Plus a bunch over here like potassium and calcium and things like that. Down here we have number 79 is gold, number 47 is silver, and here's 82, which is lead. Way down here, number 92 is uranium. And so these are elements. What are elements? Well, they're, I'm going to give a pretty simplistic definition here, but they're basic substances of which all things are made, including you and me. We're made of one or more of these elements. Actually, we're made of a bunch of them. But the simplest substances would be made of just one of these elements. And you can't change one to another by ordinary chemical means. Not that some folks didn't try. Back about 1,000 years ago, there were some folks called alchemists who tried to change cheap ones like lead, number 82, into expensive ones like gold, number 79. Did they ever succeed? No, they surely did not, for reasons they did not understand. And so we see each element has a symbol. We'll be using a few of these fairly frequently. For example, up here, H for hydrogen, and that's when you write it, that should be a printed capital H. If you write the symbol of one that has 2 letters in the symbol, like helium, number 2 up here in the upper right, how do you do that? It's a printed capital H and then a lowercase e also printed. And so I'm going to be a little picky about that, and I will emphasize that again a few times before your next test. So there, ladies and gentlemen, you have your introduction to the periodic table. The periodic table of the what? The elements. Yes, the elements. All right, that's it for this one.